Go to display name, change the parameter name as rack2, and now you have another machine created. Go to VMware, go to file, open, go to machine, rack2, choose the VMX file. Now there is one more important thing. Sometimes you may see error out here. This one, take ownership. If you are getting this error, just cancel it, close your VMware, start your workstation again. Now try opening it. This time you can see it is opened automatically without any errors. Now you can start this rack2 machine. One very important part, don't ever start your rack1 just after cloning. Always start your rack2 machine, because you need to do some changes before both the machines should start at a time. The changes would be changing the name of the machine internally, the host name, and changing the network configuration. So this is the first time startup of our rack2 machine. We have to tell VMware that we have copied it and we haven't moved it. Now this machine will boot up. By the time we are not changing this changing the configuration of host name and network, we are not going to start our rack1 machine. So if you want, you at the meantime you can also have a copy of your machine backup. I'm not doing it, but you can try it, so that in case of any failure in between, you can revert back. Just now I have rebooted my cloned rack2 machine. This is the first time it has got started, and at this time our rack1 machine is still under shutdown mode. So the first ever command we'll try on rack2 will be neat, so that we can change the configuration of this machine. Here you will see some backup entry for your LAN card. Just deactivate them and delete them. Now you have 3 LAN card available. On ETH0, go for a statically set IP address, set 192.168.1.102. Give the hardware device, go to hardware device and do a bind to MAC address. Say OK. Go to ETH1, 192.168.0.102. You can also set a gateway, up to you. That's not going to make much of a difference. Now ETH2, this will be the machine, this will be the network by which I'll be accessing my host operating system to guest operating system network. I'll set an IP of 1.82. Here I need to set a gateway address because all communication are done through a router, and my router IP address is 1.254. Again I'll do a mod probe. Now try activating all your network devices. The next thing would be to change the host name. I have set it to 182.168.1.254. Save it. Since the network configuration is now done for your machine 2 and network card is done, machine name is also changed, now we can start our machine 1. I would just require a screenshot of this machine. Now you can simply do a shutdown and restart of this. Reason is just now we have changed the name of it and it is recommended to take a restart. By the time we can also start our rack 1 now. So by the time these two are getting started, we'll cover up on the next video of a prerequisite for CRS installation. So in this video we have covered about configuring network and installing packages. Thanks very much. You can view the next video for further steps of our Oracle 10G REC installation. Thanks very much.